Hello, my name is Heiner Clemente, and today I am going to talk about my in two different cities in Colombia, Bogota and Medellin. They are very different, but both both are beautiful and extremely places to live. Um, Bogota is the capital of Colombia and it is bigger than Medellin. It also had more people and more traffic. Um, Weather in Bogota is colder because it is I in the mostly mountain on the hard Medellin is warm and has nice weather almost all year round. Um, Medellin life in Medellin is less stress, stressful than in Bogota. People people says Medellin is cleaner and more organized. It also has less pollution and fewer traffic problems than people in Medellin are very friendly and helpful. Mm, Transportation where it told about transportation. Bogota has more onshore like Transmilenio and that's it, but there is also more congestion. Medellin has the best metro system in Colombia and it is more efficient than Bogota transport. Um, let's compare them with short expression. Bogota is not as warm as Medellin. Medellin is as more as Bogota. Bogota has more museums, but Medellin has fewer traffic problems. In conclusion, Bogota is the bigger and the most important city politically, polita, politically, but Medellin is the most comfortable to live in and the most pleasant for its weather and people. Personally, like Medellin more because life there is calmer and people are kinder. Um, Thank you for you for listening.